To get started in Google Slides, you will need to open the application. There are several ways to do this, but I will get there by opening a new tab and clicking on what many people like to call the waffle or the apps launcher in the upper right-hand corner, and I will choose Drive. Once your Drive is open, click on the blue New box and choose Google Slides. Next up, you will want to give your presentation a title. Hopefully, you've got a great topic in mind. I'm going to start a presentation to show what I know about roller coasters. Now you have the option to choose a theme for your presentation. Each theme uses certain colors, fonts, and layout styles to keep your slides looking spiffy. I'm going to choose the Tropic theme. If you want to see the layouts for any particular theme, just choose the theme and then click on Layout. Your theme can be changed at any time by clicking the slide menu and choosing Change Theme. At the top, you will see lots of menus and shortcuts that will give you the tools you need to have some fun with your slides. The titles of these menus make sense. The File menu tells you what you can do with your whole presentation file, such as sharing it, printing it, or making a copy. The Edit menu has options for copying and pasting. You can use the View menu to find ways to present or zoom in on your slides. Insert is the fun one because it shows you ways to put in pictures, shapes, and videos. Clicking the Slide menu allows you to add, delete, or change the overall look of the current slide. The Format menu gives you lots of things you could do to make your text look interesting. Arrange has some cool options for aligning objects to make your slides look more professional. The menus are rounded out by Tools, where you will find your spell checker and explore options. The Table menu, which allows you to, well, insert a table. And finally, the Help menu, where you might be able to get an answer to your Google Slides question. The shortcut icons below are for more commonly used tasks, such as adding a slide, undoing and redoing an action, as well as working with text, pictures, and shapes, which we will get to later. You can hide the menus by clicking the two arrows pointing up. This will give you a little more room to work. To get the menus back, just click the arrows again. If you want to see how a slide will look in presentation mode, just click the Present button. The slide will become full screen and you can check to see that it looks how you want. Links and video will work in present mode, but the viewer is not able to do any editing or inputting of text. To leave present mode, hit the Escape key in the upper left-hand corner of your keyboard. Now it's your turn to practice. If you want, you can click the Watch on YouTube option in the lower right-hand corner of this video to open it in a new tab. You can then have the audio of the video playing in the background to guide you as you open a new tab for your practice presentation. Have fun getting started.